Hi there, in this video I will show you how to transfer dollars from Binance to Bitget wallet. So first of all, open your Bitget wallet and click on Receive. Now here in search bar, type USDT and scroll down. So here under BNB chain, click on first icon which is USDT. Now here you need to copy this address. Now open your Binance account and here go to withdrawal option and click on withdraw. Here search for USDT and choose the first option. Click on the first option, send via crypto network. Now here paste that address that we just copied. Now here in network section you need to choose BNB smart chain. Remember that you can minimum transfer $10, so I will type 10 here and then click on withdraw. So in this way, you can transfer dollars from Binance to Bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.